This is the ultimate guide to solving first PC build won't open or won't launch issues for 2026. After personally experiencing the frustration of software refusing to start and spending countless hours testing various solutions, I finally pinpointed several effective methods to get your programs running. We will now explore these reliable fixes. The first method addresses foundational system integrity by ensuring all your software and hardware are up to date, which often resolves conflicts. Next, we tackle potential data corruption and resource allocation issues by clearing caches and verifying program files, allowing the software to access what it needs without interruption. Our third approach focuses on system configuration and driver compatibility, as outdated or incorrect drivers are a common culprit for launch failures. Finally, the fourth method involves a deep system scan and a clean boot to isolate any background interference that might be preventing your applications from starting properly. These techniques collectively target the most frequent causes of PC launch problems.